Hi, my name is Same, and this is my complete review regarding Etoro. I was just charging up my car. I thought maybe it's a very good time to make a video about Etoro. So I can give you, before I tell you how I ended up investing money into the Etoro, I can give you brief introduction about myself. I've got multiple businesses online. I've got a store over the eBay and Amazon, and I make full time income um, online. So, um, and I always look for the passive income, to generate more income online. How I can able to do that, and I remember I watched one video regarding eToro um, last month, and I find that platform quite interesting. The people who were who making video regarding eToro, um, they kind of explain that if you don't have any knowledge regarding trading, which I don't have, you can still ended up investing money into the stock. So I bought one Tesla stock, I think 6 months ago. I invested £20, and today that £20 is, I think, 23, uh, 24 something. So I already gained £3, which is not much, right? So I believe in Tesla, so I bought Tesla stock like 5 6 months ago, and just to check how my £20 will perform in couple of months. So I know £20 is not much. I'm not bragging that I've invested £20. I haven't got any knowledge. I just wanted to learn how actually um, stocks work. So somebody make a video about eToro over the YouTube, as I told you already, and I really like the concept that if you haven't got any knowledge about trading, you can actually open up a account on that platform, and you copy someone, and you can actually make the same sort of trading which they're making. So they're doing all the hard work, you're not doing anything. You just invested money into their portfolio. So whatever you do, you will do that as well. That's very interesting. So I had £2,000 spare. So I ended up investing. After done a lot of research, I ended up um, invested 2,000, and I follow like 5 people right now. Currently, I have invested so far, I think, £1,400, and £600 still needed to be invested. I've been following, I think, 5 people right now. Um, this is my first video. Um, if people find it interesting, then I had a plan that I will make one video every month, so I can analyze my gains, right? And I can make a sort of uh, a little um, what I lose by the end of the month, and what I gain by the end of the month. Let's see how it's gonna go. I'm not sure about it. Um, I had the extra passive income, so I thought maybe why not invest into the eToro. So I'm not a financial advisor. I got no idea about how stock market works, but I needed to see, and I will make continuous videos throughout the time. Every month I will review that from my £2,000 how much I gain, and it will be complete honest review. um, and so people can follow my journey, and they can, the new beginner like me, if they're looking to invest money into the Toro, they can actually follow my journey, and they can actually learn from it. So I'm learning as well. You can actually see trading. So far, it's been 5 days. I've invested the £2,000, and I'm already in £2 profit. Not much. I never had. I never had this thing in my mind that as soon as I invest money, I will start making a lot of money. It's nothing like that. My real expectation would be from £2,000, maybe I will gain like £300 to £400 by the end of the year. Um, I'm not expecting much. It's 20%. If I gain 20% return on my money, I would be more than happy, because that money is sitting in my bank. And if you know that if you put up money in a saving account, you only get like right now, because of the economy and stuff, you hardly get any sort of interest from the bank. So I think it's so I wanted to see how trading works, to um, actually build up my confidence so I could invest more money, and actually learn a bit more about the stock, how the stock markets work, how buying and selling shares going to work for me. Because I've seen a lot of people actually made a videos about Etoro, not Etoro. People like invested money into the S&P 500, and they're getting like 20% return of their investment. I know to make a real money from the stock trading, you need to have a lot of money. I don't have a lot of money, but whatever I have, like it's spare income, I just wanted to see how my income will how much the £2,000 will generate for me throughout a year. Um, as I said, if I can able to get like 20% return, I would be more than happy. I'm not expecting much. Um, let's see. So I'll make every month a tutorial video regarding the Etoro, and I will do a full review that how my £2,000 actually performing throughout a month, right? And let's see. Hope for the best. Right.